So, you know my little birdie friend that I post from time to time, the one that lives next door. So, it's been about 2 weeks since I've seen her, and I'm starting to miss her because she's so cute. She talks to me and she whistles at me when I walk by. So, I haven't seen her. So, yesterday I saw her owner walking out and I was like, "Where's my friend?" And she said she's on lockdown because she tore something up. So she can't come to the window because she was being bad. So I don't know what to do because the little bird, she brings me so much joy and I miss her. I'm like, free my friend. Like, really? She's just a bird. You can let her out. Next time I see her, I'm going to try to give her a treat.